In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record audio in Microsoft PowerPoint. Adding your voice directly to slides is a simple way to make presentations more engaging, whether you're narrating a lesson, explaining a chart, or leaving quick comments for your audience. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you want the audio to live. It's best to record for one slide at a time so your narration matches the content on screen. Once you're on the right slide, head to the ribbon at the top and click the Insert tab. On the right side of that toolbar, you'll see the audio option. Click it, then choose Record Audio. A small recording window will pop up. Before you start, give your clip a clear name so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to add multiple recordings across different slides. Make sure your microphone is connected and positioned a few inches from your mouth to reduce breathing noises and capture a clean signal. A quiet room helps a lot. When you're ready, click the record button and begin speaking at a natural pace. Try pausing for a second before and after your message. That tiny buffer can prevent your words from being clipped at the start or end. When you're done, click stop. Use play to listen back and make sure the audio is clear and at a comfortable volume. If you hear pops, rustling, or background noise, adjust your mic position or speak a bit more steadily, then record again. You can re-record as many times as you need until you're happy with the result. Once it sounds right, click OK. PowerPoint will place an audio icon on your slide to represent the recording. You can drag that icon to any corner or area that doesn't cover important content, and you can resize it if you want it to be more discreet or more visible. To control how the audio behaves during the presentation, select the audio icon, go to the Playback tab, and choose your preferred start option. Pick automatically if you want the narration to begin as soon as the slide appears, which is great for guided lessons or self-running decks. Choose on click if you prefer to control when the audio starts during your talk, and that's all it takes. You've recorded and added your voice to a slide, making your presentation clearer and more compelling. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future PowerPoint tips and tutorials.